Additive manufacturing. Additive Manufacturing Training Bootcamp helps facilitate the safe and successful implementation of additive manufacturing, AM. The engineers, designers, product managers, project managers, technicians, and other professionals are recommended. Course is presented by Tonex.
Participants will learn about 3D printing, special features, processes, software, material, and post-processing techniques. Tonex Specialties. Tonex Instructor-led, an online training bootcamp, will help to facilitate the safe and successful implementation of AM. The bootcamp training style is structured to provide the attendees with a great level of flexibility and value.
Course agenda, learning opportunities. The foundations: powder bed fusion, material extrusion, directed energy deposition, sheet lamination, other methods, additive manufacturing technologies, materials, and assurance.
Thanks for watching this video.
Course is presented by Tonex.
Sign up for Additive Manufacturing course. Log on to www.tonex.com.